What's up, guys? I hope you can hear me okay. You know what? I figured I'd break out the camera, do a little moto vlog. It's Sunday. I haven't done a moto vlog in quite a while. I'm using my GoPro Hero 4. That's my first GoPro I bought. It still runs. It's still okay. A little beat up on the outside, but you know what? Works fine. I usually use it for my moto vlogs. How to charge the batteries, they were dead. But anyways, it's Sunday, about 5:30. Figure we'll head up. I don't know, I've been taking a ride up through the Fields Avenue all the way out to Koreatown. I haven't done that in a while. So I figured we'll head out that way, show you what the traffic situation looks like. Pretty light. It is Sunday. Traffic's usually light on a Sunday. People are still out and about doing their things. Hello Kitty in front of us. Hello Kitty. Goodbye Kitty. MacArthur Boulevard. Max. Traffic is very light, very, very light. It's nice riding on a Sunday. You don't have to deal with all the traffic. Still got to keep your eye out, even though there's no traffic. Somebody could still pull a knucklehead move, so you still got to watch. Still could pull a knucklehead move. Always got to watch out for the bicyclers too. They're always, they ride around like in the middle of the road and everything. You always got to watch them. Can't go up the walking street now, it's closed. I don't know what time, I think they close it around 4. So we'll take the side road here. Side road. This just runs parallel to the walking street. We'll see what the situation is like. Light. Traffic is late. People in Envy, people in Phillies. Bars are still open. They are not closed. People ask me if Angeles City was on a lockdown. They are not on a lockdown. We are not on any kind of lockdown. Clark International is still running. I seen on the news where they're telling people if they have to fly or whatever, to fly out of Clark. So that's going to put a big strain on Clark, that's for sure. A lot of people coming up here to fly. Manila Airport is shut down. Only international flights, no domestics. I don't know, people seems pretty busy. You know, for a Sunday it seems pretty busy. Even your jeepneys, you know, I'm looking at a jeepney right now. They're packed full. No precautions in jeepneys. You know, we can't head down the road with an empty jeepney. We have to have 50 people piled in, coughing, spitting, and sneezing on everybody because you know what? That peso is more important than your health. I would not, and I would refuse. I would walk before I'd ride in a jeepney now. No way. Crazy. Alright, what's the problem? Welcome by the ABC Hotel. Oh, that's what's going on. I guess I can Could zip up by everybody, but I kind of want to take my time. So many new buildings going up. So many different new buildings. That building there, still waiting for that to open, that big building there. They've been working on that ever since I moved here 3.5 years ago. Like I said, it's been a while since I've ridden down this way. I mean, I've gone as far as the Petron gas station up here on the left. And then, that's it. I don't know, I guess I just have no reason to really come up this way. I mean, we lived up this way, so I was up this way all the time, every day. But really no big reason to come up here. If I go on to Clark, I usually just take the main gate going in. I don't take the back gate. Yeah, I was up here just the other day at Amiga Travel, back there in the hotel. Let's see what's changed up this way, if anything. I know I'm riding into the sun, right? These bars are still open. These bars open early and then they close early. I've been in a few of them, and they're ratty. Let's put it that way. They're very ratty. Ice bar, Diamond. I think that's a parking garage there. That's what that kind of looks like. Paretos. Somebody told me this Paretos here on the left closed. Let me see. Ah, it's still open. Still open. Coming up on the Red Planet. Up here on the left, I'll show you when I get up here, is Blanchett's American Style Deli. If you're ever in the area and you're looking for like a good deli sandwich, they're good. They're very, very good. The owner is also the owner of RBI Steakhouse, and you guys know I like that. But Blanchett's up here, they do an awesome sandwich. Really, really good. This is up here, right up here on the left-hand side. It's right by the side gate here, right next to this Horizon, this building right here. Blanchett's is a tiny, right there. I don't even know if I can get it with my helmet. But Blanchett's is right there beside the Horizon. Awesome sandwiches. Here's the side gate, coming up on the side gate. Traffic is, I mean, it is low. Considering all these little bars here, these are all Korean bars. Clarkton Hotel, just had a subscriber stop by, stayed at the Clarkton there. That's a nice hotel, good food. RST Buffet, never been there. Nice evening out, very nice. Guys, it's getting warm here in the Philippines, at least in our area. Summer's here, and heat index, well, it runs about mid-90s now, but the humidity is setting in. Now we're coming up on Koreatown. I was told Koreatown, they're monitoring Koreatown here. I don't know, here's so much chismis. So people just kind of like pull out in front of you. No need to get mad, no need to get angry, just slow down. Let them in, somebody will let them in on the other side. Just the way it rolls here, give and go. came with about a year ago. About a year ago, that Burger King came in here. I've eaten there. I mean, it's Burger King. You know, nothing changes. Still tastes like Burger King. You know, it's Burger King. Like Jollibee. Jollibee tastes like Jollibee. Here we are. We're in Koreatown now. I'll take a left. We'll go down Friendship. Straight ahead is the main gate. I better slow and let them go. This is what they call Koreatown. I've walked through here, did a vlog on it. I'd take my time, no hurry. It is Koreatown. 4 lanes going through. They actually turned Friendship here all the way down through into 4 lanes, except for when it gets to the, I think it's a Mitsubishi dealer, and then there it goes into 1 lane and spreads out to 2. But they are doing work on it to make this a 4-lane road going all the way down through here. There it is, Koreatown. Got the bridge completed up here. Well, we'll scoot over the bridge. Show you the bridge is completed. They were working on this bridge for a while. See, and this is 4 lanes going across this bridge also. Up here and head back, and that's it, guys. There it is. There is the Motovlog. I won't bore you with going back the other way. I mean, it's just going back the other way. Nothing's really changing. Anyways, like I said, I haven't been up this way in a while. Figured I'd come up here, do a little Motovlog, little ride. I think I'm going to head over to SM Mall now, see what the status is of SM Mall, see if there's people there, and hey guys, stay tuned. That'll be another vlog, and we'll see you then.